Friends, welcome back to Science Online class. I hope you all are absolutely fine and doing well at your home. Dear students, in last class what we are learning? We are learning about the eating habits of animals. Dear students, in last class I have given you one homework. Whether you have completed, let's see what is the answer of that question. Okay, so just recall what we have learned in the last class. In last class, we have learned animals that chew the cud. Okay, chewing means continuously they are chewing their food. Okay, so in that, which is the example? Example we have taken about the cow, buffalo, and camel. These are some examples of those animals. They are chewing the cud. Okay, so what are those animals name? Just recall it. Herbivorous such as cows, buffaloes. What they are doing? They are taking food first time, then without chewing they are just transferring into the stomach, and whenever they feel to like have that food, again they are bring to back in their mouth. Okay, so this is the procedure of chewing the cud, or you can call as a mastication. Okay, so which procedure it is? It is a mastication, or you can say mastication, no problem. So dear students, these are some examples of animals that they are chewing the cud. Okay, so let's see how this cow is chewing the cud continuously. Why? Because this curd is not chewing properly, so that's why these animals like cow, buffalo, continuously they are eating their food. Okay, so here your answer is on the screen. Okay, so what is our answer? Name two more animals eat that masticate their food. Masticate means continuously chewing their food, so you can give an example as cow or camel or buffalo. So here few of the examples are there. You can take any two examples. Next, what is the next question? What are these animals called? Such animals we called as a ruminants. Okay, which type of animals it is? Ruminants. So what is the spelling of ruminants? R-U-M-I-N-A-N-T-S. Which type of animals they are? They are ruminants animals. So dear students, I hope there is no confusion about the ruminants animal. Ruminants animals are those animals they are chewing their cud continuously. Okay, so dear students, now let's discuss some another animals that they are tearing and chewing their food. Okay, so here the first example we are going to take here. Who is this? He is the big tiger. Okay, so you can see how they have a sharp teeth. Is it 1 2 3 4 sharp teeth? And let's see how this tiger is continuously showing his teeth. Okay, so animals that tear and chew their food. Tear means you have to break it. Okay, so you know what is the food of tiger? They are continuously eating they would like to eat only the flesh of animals. Okay, they are not eating the grass. So carnivorous such as a tigers tear their food with their teeth. Okay, with the help of teeth, what they are doing? They are chewing first they are tearing the food, then what they are doing? They are chewing the food. Okay, continuously chewing their food, but not like a cow. First they will break the food, or you can say tear the food, then they are going to chew it. Why? Because they have very sharp teeth. You can see here how much sharp it is. Okay, so tiger have a sharp teeth, so that's why what they are doing? First they are doing tearing the food, then they will go for the chewing the food. So you can see here on the screen how the tiger is showing his teeth. Okay, in similar way, the next example about the fox. Okay, carnivorous. Again the carnivorous animal we are taking. Carnivorous, those animals they are eating only the flesh of animals, or you can say only they are eating the meat itself. So carnivorous such as a fox tear their food with their teeth. Okay, first they are going to break it, then what they are doing, they are going for chewing. Okay, why? Because they also have a very sharp teeth. You can see on the screen how this fox is showing his teeth. Okay, so which type of animals they are? They are carnivorous animals. In similar way, first we have done for the tiger, next is the fox. In similar way, which is the next example we are going to take here? Oh my god, who is this? He is the leopard. Okay, so carnivorous such as leopards tear their food with their teeth and chew it. So here you can see on the screen how this leopard have a very sharp teeth. Okay, but just because of they have very sharp teeth, what they are doing, they are tear the food, or you can say break the food, then they are chew it. Okay, so these are the animals, they are tearing the food, chewing their food. Why? Because they have very sharp teeth. Which type of teeth they have? They have very sharp teeth, so they have a ability to tear the food. Okay, so they have a ability to tear the food. So these are some animals. In similar, after that, some of the animals we have, they are gnawing the things. You can see how this squirrel is gnawing this peanuts. Okay, how they are going to have it, they are having as a peanut. Okay, this, so you can see on the screen how this squirrel is suddenly taking their peanuts, and later on they are going to gnawing the food. Okay, so a squirrel is gnawing. They have very sharp front teeth. You can see here they have very sharp front teeth. So these teeth help them to break open seeds. So but now squirrel is feeling very hungry. So that's why what the squirrel is doing, directly she is doing or she is not breaking the seeds, directly she is taking. Okay, so a squirrel is gnawing because they have very sharp front teeth. These teeth help them to break open seeds, fruits and the nuts. So you can see on the screen how this squirrel is directly having the peanut because they have very sharp front teeth. Which type of teeth? Again they have a very sharp front teeth. In similar way, oh, who is this? This is a mouse. Okay, or you can say rat. Okay, so a rat is also gnawing. They have very sharp front teeth. Okay, so with the help of their front teeth, what they are doing, they are breaking the seeds. But now our rat is eating biscuits because they would like to eat biscuits, fruits, nuts. Okay, so because of they have very sharp front teeth, so they are able to open the seeds and food and the nuts. So what they are doing, animals, they are gnawing. Okay, what is the spelling of gnawing? Gnawing, gnawing. So these are some animals, they are gnawing the food. In similar way, lots of examples are there about the animals, how they are having their food. So in today's class, what we have learned animals that they are tearing their food and later on they are chewing their food. So what are the examples? Examples are carnivores. What are the examples of carnivores? Leopards, lion, foxes, tigers, dogs, panthers. So many examples are there about the carnivores. So how they are tearing their food? They are tearing the food with their help of teeth because they have very sharp teeth. In similar way, some of the animals, they are gnawing the food. Okay, with the help of they have very sharp front teeth, so they are gnawing the food. So dear students, after today's class you have a difficult words. Okay, in today's class we have learned so many things, so you have to be remember those words. So what is the today's difficult words? Let's see here. So first one is the flesh. Okay, F-L-E-S-H, flesh. F-L-E-S-H, flesh. Next is the chew. C-H-E-W, chew. Gnawing. G is a silent here. Okay, so what is the spelling of gnawing? Gnawing. Gnawing. Next is the squirrel. 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 Front teeth. FONT font. TEETH font teeth. Grinding. GRINDING grinding. Next is the pointed. POINTED. Next is the T. TEA. Panther. 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 Teeth. TEETH. So these are some difficult words which we have learned today. So in next class again we are going to discuss some another animals, how they are having their food and which part of the body is helping to take their food. Okay dear students, so now we will going to meet in the next class. So this is your today's difficult words. How many times you have to write? You have to write 5 times in the classwork notes. Okay, so dear students, let's meet in the next class. Have a good day. Bye bye.